Welcome back to the channel and to the second part on this BMW 640D. First of all, I apologise for the mess in the garage. It's a big car and there's a lot of parts laying around, so we're having trouble with this. But I'm going to run you through a couple of bits that we're going to do today to start to put this back together. As mentioned, we wanted to replace the bonnet, so that's off now. Both of the pedestrian protections were shot off through there and the hinges were slightly bent, so we are going to be replacing them also with the two gas struts. So we're on there. We are still waiting for delivery of a wing, which should be with me today. As we said, this was the broken front crash bar and all the parts that went along with that. And this one, if we can get a look at that one, this one is a complete whole front with the light supports both ends, and all the fan casings in the side with the flaps. So that can go on as one complete unit and replace all those parts. We do have the new bonnet, or the replacement bonnet that's here. So that can go on later. And also this bumper is the original bumper. We might be putting that back on because the bonnet does need to be repainted, and so does the wing. So out there's not really any decent bumpers, so we're looking to probably get R1 repaired, and as you say, we're going to put that back on just to check it first. So I'll try and get a bit of time lapse as we try and get some of these parts on, but as I say, it's really tight in here at the moment. I'll do the best we can, but if there's some time lapse now, do enjoy that. If not, once we get some more back together, we'll let you have a look at that. Okay, so carry on with the time lapse. I wasn't able to get any time lapse, but before we start putting this back together now, I'm just going to run you through a few more things. So we do have the new wing now, and that has been painted into color. All the plastics, the whole front end, pedestrian protection, all done. The pedestrian protection in the bonnet hinges, as these two were also replaced. Two hinges for the bonnet and the pedestrian protection. The bonnet and the pedestrian protection, they have been changed, so that's all good. We got no more faults on the code on the car. Also, the bonnet has been painted and on there, so the bonnet's done, the wing's done. As we said, we're going to use the original bumper for now, but apart from that, all the damage that we had is repaired. All the parts are here, so I am going to be able to fit this up now off camera. Once it's done, I think we'll get it outside so we can take a bit of a video for you to show you that before we give it a wash and a polish. So I'll be back shortly, and you'll see it outside all fitted back up. So here it is all finished. It's a 2012 BMW 640D Grand Coupe. It has the 3-litre twin-turbo straight-six diesel N57 engine producing 313 horsepower and a massive 650 Nm of torque. It also has the ZF 8-speed automatic gearbox, and it's only covered 55,615 miles. It is on the insurance register as a Category S, but it is fully repaired, it's had a new MOT, and it's ready to go. On the inside, it is a great spec, as you would expect from a model like this. It has things such as keyless entry and start function, Dakota leather interior with electric heated front seats with memory function, automatic wipers, automatic headlights, air conditioning with climate control, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, cruise control, rear and side camera system with front and rear parking sensors, and a 10.2-inch central display screen running the iDrive system with the sat-nav, enhanced Bluetooth and voice control, just to name a few. I do hope you've enjoyed this build. If so, why not hit that thumbs up button, and why not subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new builds.
If you do have an accident damaged car or non-running car that you think I might be interested in, do drop me a message at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. But that's it for now on this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in another build.